Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to talk about data types in Python. So what are data types? So we have learnt about the variables in Python. So the type of data the variable stores in it are the data types. So there are different type of data types. In this video we are going to cover numeric data types in Python. So there are three different types of numeric type. First one is int, which stands for integer. Second one is float, which is used for decimal values. And third one is complex. So complex numbers are basically which are in the form of real and imaginary number, which we have learnt in maths. So these are three types of numeric values. So integer value can be of any length, which can contain positive as well as negative integers. Float is used to store floating point numbers which will in the form of decimal points, and complex number contains an ordered pair of real number and imaginary number. So we will be seeing all these types in our code. So let's go to our PyCharm. So this is Python file numVariable.py. So let's first consider an integer variable. Let's say I have a variable called age. So in age I will store value 20. So this is the integer variable. If I print this, print a, so I will get the value of a as 20. If I save this and run num variable, okay, I have entered here a, I have defined age. So let me save this again and run this. So see, I am able to get the value of age as 20. Also I can get the type. So type function is a built-in function in Python which will provide the type of your variable. If I type, and you need to provide the variable name here. So if I save this, so see, I am able to get the type of age as it is of class int. So int is the data type for this variable age. So let's say I want to declare one variable now. Let's say pi. So let's say we want to give value as 3.67. So this is like a decimal value. So if I try to print this, print, let's say we want to print type of this variable pi. If I run this, so see, this is the float type because it contain decimal values 3.67. If I remove these two decimal points and declared 0 after decimal point, what type should I get? So type will be float only because we are providing here the decimal point. If I remove that decimal point, then it will be similar to that of age type variable. So it will give me integer in that case. So see, both are integers now. So let's say we want to stick with float. Another type which we have seen is complex numbers. So let's say I have a variable called x. So complex numbers are basically contain real number and imaginary number. So real numbers are declared with the known format, like let's say 3, and I want to give the imaginary number, let's say 2, and it is represented by j variable. So this is complex number. If I print this variable, let's say print x, run this, so see, I'm able to get this in this format, 3 plus 2j. But what if I print the type of x? So in that case I should get it as complex. So see, this is of the type complex data type. So this is how you can get the type of variables and declare these variables. So you can also, for integer, you can also have negative values. So let's say I want to get a -10. Also in pi you can declare the negative values, let's say negative here. And also complex numbers can be negative, positive, accordingly you can declare them. So let's say I want to declare, now save it, run. So similar result we will get. The first one is of integer type, second one is float, and third one is complex. Also in complex number, it is not mandatory to have the real number. So if you only provide the imaginary number, so in that case also you will get it complex data type, because it contains this imaginary part j1. So this is int, float and complex, but it is mandatory to provide the imaginary number. If I just provide the real number, let's say I have the complex number 2 plus 7j, and if I remove this 7j and print only real number, in that case the type will be integer, because it will not recognize if it is a complex number or not. So see, first case and the third case are integer here. So this is the basics of numeric data types. So these are our three basic values which we have given to our three variables h, pi and x. So what I want to do now, I can convert the type. Let me show you that. I will remove this print for all these variables. Let's say you have these three variables, numeric, float and imaginary. So what I want to do now, I want to convert this. Let's say I have age variable. Now age is of integer type. I want to convert it to float. So how I can convert this? Let's say what I will do, I will print now, and I will print this. Sorry, I want to convert it to float, so I need to give float and I will pass age. So let's say what we will get here. So see, now age has the value of -10, but I explicitly convert it to float, so that's why I'm getting it as -10.00. So decimal point is being added here. In similar case, this is the float value, but I want to convert it to int. So let's say print int, and I will pass the variable name pi. Let's save it and run. So see, the pi has value of -3.0, but I have converted it to int, so only -3 is being getting printed here. So you can convert integer to float, float to integer, and you can assign the variables also. Let's say I have the different variable here. Age1 is another variable, and in that age1 I want to store float of age, and another variable is pi1, so I want to store here the int of pi. And what I will do now, instead of float age I will print age1, and instead of int pi I will print pi1. So this age1 will have the value of float age and pi1 will have the value of int pi1. So in this case you will get -10.0, and in this case you will get -3. Let's check that. See, these are the outputs we are getting here. So this was the conversion of integer to float and float to integer. What if I try to convert the complex number? So let's say I want to convert this complex number. Print, I want to convert it to int. So int of x I will need to provide, right? Let's save this, run it. See, I am getting here error. The error says type error, can't convert complex to int. So complex number cannot be converted to integer. So what if I want to convert the complex number to float? So I will give a float value, save it and run. So see, in that case also I am getting error. The error says can't convert complex to float. So here you need to note that complex number cannot be converted to another type like integer and float, but integer can be converted to float, float can be converted to integer, complex number cannot be converted. So that's it for numeric data types. We will cover another data types in next video. Thank you for watching.